Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be cleaning my truck, the family truck. We went on 2 road trips. We went to Dallas and we went to Kansas, and I just haven't had time to clean it out, and it's pretty dirty. I mean, you can see that. Yeah. Let's just hope my husband doesn't see this video, because he will be mad if he sees how much of a mess the truck is. Check it out. Yeah, it's pretty messy. It's never been this much of a mess.
The first thing I like to do is grab a trash can and walk around the truck, the front and back, and pick up all of the big items I see on the ground, from soda bottles to Gatorade bottles to French fry boxes. All the trash that I see, I go ahead and pick it up and move it out of the way. Every time we go for a car ride, my daughter loves bringing a different bag full of toys with her. Does anyone else have a kid that does this? Drop down in the comments below if your kid enjoys bringing along a whole bunch of toys and just leaves them in the car and just adds and adds to the collection. Hey guys, I also wanted to know, which vacuum do you guys recommend for vacuuming your vehicle? As you can see, I'm actually hand sweeping everything, and it just doesn't work as well as a vacuum. Drop down in the comments which do you think works best. Don't forget to sweep underneath the mats, because lots of times you get all these little crumbs stuck around the corners, so don't forget to take it out and sweep underneath it. Once I'm done sweeping the entire car, I will start adding some protectant to the doors and to the seats just to leave it shiny and for it to last longer and protect it from the sun. Also, I wanted to add, when wiping the door with a protectant, you have to make sure you wipe every single spot, because you'll be able to see it when the sun reflects off of it where you did not scrub.
Okay guys, so I'm currently done, with the basic. I just went ahead and put protectant on the seats, swept the floor a little bit, did the back part too. I'm gonna have to take it to go get it washed, so probably gonna go to a car wash a little bit later. Right now it's just way too hot. As you can see, it's really sunny. It's really hot right now. I did take out a lot of trash. As you can tell, I'm like really pink. But yeah, I put protectant on the doors, as you can tell, and then I swept it, so it's halfway decent. This is like a speed clean, I guess you can say. The baby started crying, so I couldn't record everything. But yeah, let me okay, but yeah, this is the car. I still need to, I was able to do, like, I did the dash, I did the seats. As you can tell, they're a little shiny. I'm just gonna go ahead to the car wash a little later, and I left the umbrella there. I'm gonna go to the car wash a little later and wash the car and go ahead and use the vacuum there, so I can get all these little pieces of dust. I don't like how that looks. See these little ones? I couldn't take it out with the little brush, but all those these little ones are actually stuck. See those little things right there? Okay guys, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if you like what kind of video you'd like to see next. All right, bye.